Dance party, dance party, dance party. We're going to have a dance party today, guys, because why not? So, yeah, I was kidding. We're not actually going to have a dance party because I can't dance. But let's talk about content marketing, right? And with content marketing, I'm going to share a definition with you. Let me pull it up on my screen right quick. Content marketing, right? Google defines content marketing as a noun. It is the type of marketing that involves the creation and sharing of online material, such as videos, blogs, and social media posts. Now, I want you guys to listen to this and to let's talk about it again. It says sharing of online material, right? That does not explicitly promote a brand, but is intended to stimulate interest in its products or services. That's what Google defines content marketing as. I want you to think about that definition because that's very, very important. Now, the thing with social media and with content marketing, it's like a popcorn effect, right? I want you to visualize something. I get up from my chair and I walk over to my pantry, right? And I come back with a bag of popcorn. Now, what happens if I take this popcorn, okay? If I walk to my microwave, I'm not gonna cut over to my microwave, don't worry about that. But what happens if I take it and I go to my microwave and I open up the door and I put the bag of popcorn in the microwave, right? And I hit the popcorn button and time's up for a minute, minute and a half, and I hit start. What happens? If you said nothing, you're right. That's right. Most people, they're going to sit down. They're going to think, hey, absolutely nothing. Yeah, so that's right. Most people are going to sit down. They're going to think, hey, no, it's going to start popping. And that's not the case. Nothing happens. Okay? And then 30 seconds later, you hear a pop, right? Then a second later, you hear another pop. Then it's pop, pop, pop. And it sounds like that part of that Home Alone movie, the Filthy Rascal part, where he has Tommy gun. It's like, right? That's what it sounds like. But that's a popcorn effect, and that's content marketing. The thing with content marketing, and when you focus on doing content marketing correctly, so you're not doing that explicit, hey, guys, buy my product, right? It takes time to build up. And that time is fantastic because once it builds up, you're going to look at all the stuff you're doing and be like, oh my gosh, wow, this is amazing. Like I have so many leads right now. It's just mind boggling. So I just want to sit down. I just want to kind of tell you the definition, the real definition of content marketing. And, let you know that if you're putting out content, right, and if you're doing stuff, just keep doing it. The main secret is remaining consistent. It's going to take some time to kick in, but once it kicks in, oh my God, you're going to love it. Then there's some other strategies that you can do too. You can do groups for lead generation. You can do landing pages for lead generation, giveaways. So there's a bunch of stuff you can do within your content marketing, speed it up, right? Don't get me wrong. But the main thing is just being authentic and just putting that content out there, right? Sharing yourself. It's not explicitly promoting, it's sharing yourself. That's all I got today, guys. Have fun.